So hello, as we are all coming in, please choose a seat and remember to practice quiet hands. We hold them still together. What's your question?
Sorry.
You know what they are. You're in the class.
I'm just looking really,
and quiet mouths. Everyone's doing such a good job. Was anyone saying anything on the board? This is actually coming in. Yeah?
Choir. No, I'm so sad to seriously love this.
It is a choir. Does anybody see anything else? Yes?
Just to silently raise my hand and tell me what I see on this table, and I see lots of bells and chimes.
You see bells and chimes. That's exactly what I was looking for. So last week we talked about bell etiquette. Can you go to the next slide? We practiced our solfege, so we're very familiar with that. We've learned about the C major scale. We practiced reading sheet music using our C major scale and solfege skills. And then we learned how to hold the handle of the bell. And then, yeah. So this week.
For future life, handbell, one word. Even though Google doesn't give
Oh, did I write it as two? Oh, that's so funny.
Same thing with my chime.
Okay, we're going to talk about technique today. It's kind of a big word. Does anybody know what technique means? Jeremy, I saw your hand.
Technique is a way to like how you do something?
Yeah, exactly. It's kind of a pretty general term. It's just the way you do something. So your technique for bells is the way that you ring the bells. So does anybody remember that we showed you yesterday how to hold the bell and do one ring on it correctly? You remember?
Can I show?
Can you please demonstrate? Exactly.
Do I need to put my gloves on?
You do need to put your gloves on. Does somebody remember why we put our gloves on?
So we don't smudge.
So we don't smudge the bells. Exactly. It keeps them all pretty.
We have to hold them up
Yep.
like this. The hands are on the handles, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we have to make a circle.
Yes.
It can sound!
Everybody, round of applause for Casey. Perfect demonstration. You can sit now. Thank you. All right, on the next one. Okay, I am going to. Oh, quiet hands, quiet mouths. There we go. Can you all right, follow me. I am going to one by one. So if you're on the end, you're going to have to be patient. I'm so sorry. I'm going to point you to which bells you're going to be ringing. We're not going to be ringing them yet. You can put your hands on the handle if you want and just get in your ready position. So Xavier, these are your two bells.
Okay.
You can stand up. Haley, these are your two bells. Casey, these are yours.
We need a 7.
Jeremy right here. These two. These two. These two. Your A and your B. Really complex. C and D. And then these two. Josh, I do know your name. I just wanted to go quicker. These two. These two. I realized that I made it look like I didn't know your name. I realized as soon as I did it, I was like, wait a second. I made it look like I don't know his name. Okay, thank you everybody for getting into your position. Okay, our next thing. All right, when I tell you to go, we are going to pick up both of our bells at the same time, and we are going to try to ring them all together. Okay, pick them up. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, one ring. What does it look like I'm doing with my hands right now? How many rings do you think that I
I'm
made?
making a circle.
I made a circle. How many circles?
Uno.
Just the one. So can we try that one more time? 1, 2, 3, go. That was a lot closer, guys. Go to the next one. Okay. We are all going to. You might want to put your bells down for 1 second.
Time out for a
Yep.
second. Was there a reason you did it in 3?
Actually, the song at the end isn't in 3. The song at the end wasn't in 3.
Oh,
But
okay. If it's a conscious choice, good
Yeah.
on you. If it's not, do it in 4 because that's how they think.
yeah, it was because it's in 3. But
Cool.
it's in 4.
That's great. I'm glad you thought that far ahead. That's awesome.
Okay, can everybody stomp with me? But we're all gonna try to stomp together, like we're like marching in a marching band. So we're gonna go stomp, 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 stomp. That's good. So this is the beat. When we are ringing our bells, we are going to ring at the same time as we're stomping. Okay? Everybody keep going. Awesome. Can somebody raise their hand if they have a C in front of them. Okay, you guys, since we're doing the C major scale and that's Do, you're going to play first. It's going to go C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, can everybody try doing that in order on each beat? I'm going to say the whole solfege scale as we do it. Alright, everybody C's up. Is everyone ready?
Should everybody have their hands up?
C's up. You're right. Everybody have their bells up, but C's, are you extra ready to play?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay. Oh, you guys are already going the opposite way on the scale. We're not going to do that right now, but I like the initiative. Okay, can we put our bells down? Can we? Are you our lowest C?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to go all the way in a line this way like a wave. We're going to start at this C and we're going to end on the absolute highest C. Does that make sense? Everybody gets stomping again. We're going to go a little bit faster.
Wait.
Oh.
There you go. Okay, everybody feeling that? Internalize it. All right, pick your bells up. We're going to start over here.